The Daily Code Snippet. Let's look at MP3 first because it is the most common audio file. It is relatively large in comparison to other formats. It has a lossy compression, so degrades with editing, but it can be encoded at either a constant or variable bitrate. A constant bitrate ensures the same quality throughout, while a variable bitrate will save on size by changing during quieter or silent moments in the audio. AAC stands for Advanced Audio Coding. Like MP3, AAC is lossy, but the original AAC file is of much better quality than other formats. Similar to MP3, it can be recorded at a constant or variable bitrate. AAC is also open source and does not have the royalty fees associated with MP3. You often see AAC with iTunes, but also with gaming devices. OGA files are open source, like the OGG video format. It uses lossy compression and a variable bitrate to help with file size, but overall sound quality remains high and even tends to be better than MP3. The main problem for OGA is that it is not as compatible with other programs as MP3, so it limits its use. Use any one of these lossy compression formats when you don't need perfect audio quality, plan on sharing via the web, or need to conserve space on your storage device. Over the years, the quality of lossy compression has improved such that most people really cannot tell the difference. Presented by Designers Learn Code.